In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Firebase in Flutter. First, create a Firebase project at firebase.google.com and set up your app. Now, add an Android or iOS app in the Firebase console and follow the registration steps. Download Google Services.gz on Android or Google Service info.plist iOS and add it to your project. Then, add Firebase SDK dependencies by updating pubspec.yaml in your Flutter project. After that, run Flutter Fire configure to automatically set up your Firebase options. Initialize Firebase in your main .dart file with a await Firebase.initialize app. Next, import Firebase packages like auth, Firestore, or storage as needed. Use Firebase services e.g. sign-in, database storage with Flutter widgets and methods. Test your Firebase connection by performing simple reads or writes or authentication flows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.